Okay, hello dear friends. Sorry. Okay, hello dear friends. Good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I have some mushrooms here. And so I got this mushroom from the farmer's market, and they are much more tasty than stay long mushroom. It's very fresh. So I put in cooking oil, a lot of cooking oil. It's like boiling it. And there is maitake mushroom, shiitake mushroom, lion's head, and oyster mushroom, and another yellow, very tiny kind of mushroom. I do not know name, but I get this mixture of mushroom put into oil with salt, pepper, ginger, and onion. Not too many things, just a little bit of different things, and cook them together for 10 minutes, and it produces the sauce or flavor base for the week to come. So here is the video how I do it. And then my maitake mushroom, and then I think it's oyster mushroom. Yes, oyster mushroom. And that is it. Salt and pepper. Hello. Bye bye. Hello. Bye bye. Okay, cover it up, cook for another 5 minutes, and then put into a pot, put into a container next time. If I cook some vegetable, and put a big heap spoonful of this mushroom. No oil needed. It's becoming so simple and easy. That's it. Thank you very, very much. I think this is a big enough container. When it is cooled down a little bit, put into a container, and that is about it. Thank you very, very much. Look at it. Ooh. Okay, now it's good. Turn off the fire. Let it cool down. Put in there. Bye bye, friends.